Want to buy rental properties, but think you need a 20% down payment? Think again. There's a legal loophole called subjecta that lets you skip the bank entirely. I'm your host, with over 10 years of experience in real estate investing. I've helped countless investors build wealth through creative financing strategies. Today, I'll walk you through the subjecta strategy, so you can buy rental properties with little to no money down. By the end of this video, you'll know how to find motivated sellers, negotiate seller financing, and close deals without a bank loan. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this strategy can help you achieve passive income and financial freedom. So let's get started and explore the $0 down loophole for buying rental properties. You want to invest in real estate, but there's one major obstacle holding you back: money. You've heard the horror stories of needing a 20% down payment just to get started. Most investors think this is the only way to buy rental properties. But what if I told you there's a way to skip the bank entirely? You've probably been told to save up for years or take out a second job just to scrape together enough cash for a down payment. It's no wonder so many aspiring real estate investors get discouraged and give up on their dreams of building wealth through rental properties. High credit scores and networking skills aren't enough if you don't have the cash. You're stuck in a never-ending cycle of saving and waiting, while others are out there building their real estate empires. But what if you could break free from this cycle and start building wealth through real estate without needing a large down payment? That's exactly what we're going to explore today with a strategy called subjecta that lets you buy rental properties with little to no money down. So, how do you actually do this? It's called subject to. In plain English, you're buying the property subject to the existing mortgage. You aren't getting a new loan from a bank. You aren't paying 7% interest. Instead, you're stepping into the seller's shoes. You take over their monthly payments, and they hand you the deed. It sounds too good to be true. But for a distressed seller, it's a lifeline. Here is the step-by-step blueprint. Step 1, find the right seller. You aren't looking for a house in perfect condition. You're looking for a motivated seller. Someone facing divorce, a job loss, or someone who is 3 months behind on payments and terrified of a foreclosure hitting their credit report. Step 2, the pitch. You don't offer them a lowball cash price. You offer them a solution. Tell them, I will take over your monthly payments. I'll handle the maintenance, and I'll save your credit from being destroyed. For a seller in a panic, saving their credit is more valuable than a small cash payout. Step 3, the paperwork. This is where most beginners fail. You cannot just shake hands. You need a subject to agreement and a warranty deed. This legally transfers the ownership to you, while the loan stays in the seller's name. Pro tip: use a professional real estate attorney or a specialized CRM to track these contracts and deadlines. If you miss one payment, the whole deal collapses. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: the due-on-sale clause. Most mortgages have a clause saying the bank can demand full payment if the title changes hands. Yes, it's a risk. But in reality, banks rarely do this if the payments are being made on time. They want the money, not another foreclosed house. Step 4, the cash flow. Once you have the deed, you rent the property out. If the mortgage is $1,200 and you rent it for $1,800, you just created $600 a month in passive income. And the best part, you did it with little to no money down. That is how you scale a portfolio without needing $1 million in the bank. So, you've learned the subject to strategy. Now, let's talk about how to manage your investments. We recommend using a real estate CRM to track your properties and tenants. Our affiliate partner offers a free trial, and as a viewer, you get 10% off. Plus, if you need help with credit repair, our partner can assist you. By using these tools, you can save time and increase your passive income. Our students have seen up to 20% increase in rental income. Ready to start? Click the link below to get started with the real estate CRM and credit repair services.